Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, DiAndersons. Nat's here. So yes guys, we have decided to do a little self-care today. We are basically ship away the kids and we take the day to, take care of ourselves. I decided to do my nails and, sit down and let somebody take care of me for a little while. And yes, Ozzy is here and he's coming to get sorted out.
You have a foot scrub off.
Since we have been here, we haven't taken the time to do nothing like that. So we just decided, it's time. Just relax and unwind a little. So yes guys, just come along with us.
As that said, we have never ever done anything like this since being in Canada, because we have always been on the go. It's always been work, school, kids here, there, everywhere. So we decided that, today is the day. We're not gonna focus on anything other than just us, just to unwind, soak our foot a little bit, relax. When last have you ever been away from the kids, like without being at work?
The movie night. And before that, I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah, as you guys can tell, we are always with the two girls because they're our handbags, right?
Yeah.
But sometimes they need that little break in the middle, right? To just kind of self-care kind of thing. You understand? Plus, my nails, I need to take care. So come along, guys. But first, we're gonna go and get a cup of coffee. Guys, welcome to the National Breakfast of Canada, Tim Hortons. Yeah. So I know that persons in Canada see Tim's as a big thing, which it is in Canada. But honestly, I didn't know about Tim Hortons before moving to Canada. And then when you get to Canada, you find out that this is the national breakfast spot of Canada. But anyways, come here, we're gonna go and get a cup of coffee. Guys, the weather is beautiful. Them's got on his shorts. Nat's not even wearing a jacket. And you guys know, so that's always cold. But is that always cold though? Oh, that coffee is so strong. Hello. What do you want? French vanilla? Hello. 2 medium French vanilla, please. I'll take 2 cinnamon raisin. Yeah, toasted. Yes. That's it, right? And then how's your coffee?
It's great. French vanilla.
The only way to go. Cheers.
It's not like your cup empty, so.
Because we drink it fast. You don't have time for it. Yeah, guys. So we are now at the nails place. Just waiting on us to done our coffee.
Ooh,
then we're going to get this self-care day started. Well, it started already because I just want to tell you guys, I feel so good. How do you feel?
Great.
Feel great? Yeah. So it started already, but now it's gonna actually get started. So I'm not sure if I want to big up the nails place yet, depending on how them do it. So if they do a good job, then I big them up. But if they do a sloppy job, then I probably won't load them up. But we're gonna go and get our manicure. Well, that's gonna get up. What are you gonna get, babes?
Money and a penny.
Money and a penny? Pedi?
Yeah.
It's a pedi.
It's a penny.
Oh, it's a pedicure.
Penny.
Okay. You gonna do your nails as well? Okay.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna get
I've done my nails since coming here.
We said it already.
No, but that's just a hit. Like no extension, nothing, just barefoot.
Barefoot. At girl settings. At girl settings. I know, self-care is very important. And what did you book for me?
I don't know what.
Nats took care of the booking. Nats is the booking agent. Just my toe?
Just a toe.
No money for me? No, why? Why? No manicure for me? That's okay, babes. I'll take a pedicure. Okay, come along, guys. Let's see what this day has in store. Yes, Chacha.
Come in.
Yeah? There?
You're early, man.
By 10 minutes?
Yeah.
That's okay. Hello. Oh, is that my size? Extra large? That's a nice one. So, what can I select? One penny? One penny? Okay.
What is penny?
Foot.
One penny.
Yeah. Guys, this is the best date we've ever been on. I picked up the toilet. So how was your first nail experience in Canada?
It's pretty good, guys. Do you like it? Yes, I know it's bright, but yeah.
Match the shirt.
Yes, the Andersons. I was going for something.
Yeah.
I love it.
Guys, I feel like my walk on feather. I saw pedicure, you feel good?
So pedicure, you feel good? I felt really good.
There's once a month, there's once a month.
Yep.
Yeah guys, so we're still on our self-care journey today. We're about to go and get lunch. We're gonna go to Jeffrey's Cafe. Now, Nats has never been to Jeffrey's before, but I've been there. Not been there, but I've eaten from there before. Not too bad, but come along guys, lunchtime. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Self-care day, babes. Where kids are go?
Where kids are go? The Indian guys and security. Yeah, you guys like, you know,
You'll be happy before and after the sale. Their 20% off sale on residential windows and doors was so popular that they've extended it to the end of May. Email sales at allproglass.ca while it lasts. All Pro Glass, the best service guaranteed. D&E Recyclers is buying dead batteries and
D&E Recyclers, Gen Business.
See it weighed on the scale and get the best competitive price. Find them on Facebook or call 780-518-9599. Turn your scrap
Please let us know how
with
you feel
D&E
about this thing
Recyclers
today.
in Richmond and
To be your man.
there's someone for everyone. The time is love is making.
Lunchtime.
I think I change the quality of my phone.
To change it again?
Yes.
Okay guys, let's take a look on this menu. Appetizer. I'm gonna get some appies first. I think I'm gonna get the spinach dip. Spinach dip for appies. Where is it? The sour whatever martini. I'll take one martini. Can I get one virgin?
I don't know how it would be made virgin.
Don't know how it would be made
the
virgin.
sour part is like the
Yeah,
alcohol.
alcohol. Okay, I'll definitely take one with alcohol. But what do you want to drink, babes? She's the one who doesn't drink. I don't decide.
We can do mojitos virgin. Gosh, so we have like a blueberry mojito, a classic mojito, lime. We can also goodness. We could do the sangria. We could do that virgin with like a soda water or something. Yeah.
And I'll take some appies while I decide as well. I'll take the spinach dip appies. To start, yeah. And then probably another 2 minutes so we're ready to order, yeah.
Absolutely.
Thank you. That's the one we have from. Sugar water?
No alcohol, so it does pack.
Guys, I always tell you guys something and then I never yet believe me.
So, you not tell hi guys.
Yes, where all this food always go?
To my big toe.
So that's got the chicken alfredo, grilled chicken and garlic bread. And I got the seafood ravioli. It says lobster ravioli, but I'm seeing mostly shrimp. So it seems like it's definitely shrimp ravioli. But nonetheless, we're gonna have it and we're gonna enjoy it, right? Let's do it, Liz.
You gonna dive in first?
Let's dive in.
Me first?
You first, yeah, I want to know what you think.
Alright.
It's the first time coming to Jeffries.
Let's see how this goes. First lamb food. Let's just, you know, the tomatoes.
No tomato?
Right, and bites. Let's
Why the sour? You got salt right here. Remember they don't normally salt it because everyone tastes what is different.
Rush.
Fresh man. I taste it now that you have salt to it. Good? It's so windy. And smoky. Guys, we are stuffed.
You're stuffed.
I am stuffed.
Still have food.
And that's backs up our food.
Huh.
You wasn't hungry?
No, not really.
Okay. Guys, today was just an amazing day. We still got a couple hours left in the day. We're not sure what we're gonna do yet, but we're gonna do something else. So we just decided to take the day, as you guys know, and just spend it on ourselves, self-care. Went and got some money and, well, money and pedi. We came, we got some lunch, Jeffrey's Cafe. Really nice, really good food. Just good being able to just relax, slow down. You know, sometimes we are just always fast-paced as human beings, just going to work and just doing whatever, just going to school, whatever it is that you may be doing, that sometimes we forget to just take a minute to just slow down and just spend it with the ones you love, you know? Spend it with the ones around you, because ultimately this is what you're going to remember. You're not going to really remember whatever is keeping you busy, right? So that's why we decided to do that today. And also want to motivate you guys that you should be doing this as well, right? Now we have, since being here in Canada, we have not been able to take a day like this. I think this is the first time.
First time we're doing it.
Yeah. I think this is the first time we're really able to just take a full day and just almost no responsibilities, as you guys know, drop off the kids. Just being able to focus on ourselves. Nat's got our nails done, which she absolutely love.
Love it. One color.
Smash a like on the video if you like our nails. I got a pedicure first time in my life. Nat's got a pedicure as well. And Sardong.
No, not too talk about the foot bottom.
Sardong, Nat's foot bottom. Sardong, my foot bottom too. And yeah, it just was a really great feeling being pampered for a change.
Yeah, just relaxing, sitting in a chair, getting a little massage and stuff. It was really relaxing. Self-care, yeah, you need to do it.
Now you guys may be wondering how much did that cost us. Now that's now very important before I tell you guys the price. That is very important not to compare the price back to your home country, because when you do that, it's gonna seem a little bit more expensive than it actually is, because a dollar is just a dollar. Long and short, we end up paying $194. It could have been $174 if it is that we paid cash. We would have gotten a 10% discount, but because we didn't have any cash, we had to use debit, and you don't get the discount when you use debit card. So everything came to $194, which is 2 pedicure, 1 manicure plus nails and everything included, and a nice little back massage. The back massage was nice. Woo!
Trust me, it was good.
It was good.
It was good. Right now, I can walk in the clouds. My foot is light.
Yeah, so it came to $194, which, if you do the conversion, it might sound expensive, but really and truly, it's worth it. To me, it's worth it. Sometimes it's not about the money, but it's about the memories. It's about the time spent. And sometimes we were so money driven in terms of, like, we watch every single penny, that it don't cause us to spend for yourself, right? Like, you're gonna pay a bill anyway, that money's gonna disappear. You're gonna do something, that money's gonna disappear anyway. Might as well you just take once in a while and spend it for yourself. That's how we looked at it today, because normally them's not pay.
Me not do this. But I used to do it a few times in Jamaica, but since I've been here, look so hard to spend them the money for nails, but I'm glad I did it.
And plus, we're very low key, as you guys know. We're not very Not to say that if you like these things, you're not low-key, but these things don't really fascinate us too much. But it felt good.
Okay, good.
It felt good. So next month again?
Yes, next month. Definitely.
If you had one message, right? If you had one message to share with the person watching this video right now, like it can be about any topic, coming to Canada, living, whatever. It doesn't. There's no real category. What would you share? What would you say to them? That one message.
Just live. Live. You only have one life. Just live. Live in the moment. Just live.
Just live.
You don't know what tomorrow will bring, or if you're gonna be sick, or you're not gonna be on this earth anymore. Just live. That's it. Just live. Just be yourself. Just live. If you want to dance, sing, no matter what people want to say, just live. That's it. Live, man.
That's a very good message. I second that message as well, guys. One message that I would share with anybody watching this video right now, apart from making sure that you like the video, subscribe to the channel and drop a comment. I would definitely share the fact that do something today that your future self will thank you for. The future begins with what you do today, right? So I remember when I was working at Sagicor, there was this quote that really resonated with me, and it goes something like this: you cannot prepare for the future, but you have to create the future, right? You have to create the future that you want by the small decisions that you make today. So if there is a future that you have in mind that you'd really like, it's very possible for you to get that future, but it's gonna start with what you do today, right now, in this very moment, right? Just make a decision right now to do something that your future self would thank you for, right? Because as Nat says, time is not as long as we think it is, right? So just do it today. Do it for you, do it for your family, do it for the ones you love. And thank you guys for supporting us and for watching this video. And that's where it's gonna end.
Yes.
See you guys in the next video, guys. Little more, big up on yourself. Not sure my nails again.
Ching. What is